Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to connect make.com with Bolt.new. So let's just begin. So first of all, you can head over to your workflows section and you can see we have our scenarios. So you can head over to your scenario actually and simply create a new scenario over here. So this works pretty much same like it does on Zapier and A10. So in here, if you search for Bolt.new, you can see we cannot see anything similar to that, and that is because Bolt.new is not compatible with make.com yet, and it will be in future. But the one thing that I would like to introduce to you guys is you can head over to the link in the description below to get 50, actually not 50, completely 100% off onto your first month on the pro plan, and it's going to be giving you a huge value. So it is something that it should be picking up, and yeah, so make sure to give it a try. And again, that currently it is not supported with Bolt, and you can create a custom app, but that is something different and we can discuss it in another video. So for now, Bolt.new is not officially supported by make.com. So I hope this information helps you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.